Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to try to address a problem that has been bothering me for a little while. Basically my garage door is really loud when it goes up, and I've changed out the opener to a belt driven system, and that kind of helped a little bit, but really the door itself is insanely loud, and there's a bedroom directly above, and when somebody leaves early in the morning, like 5-6 o'clock in the morning, wakes other people up, and so I'm going to try to address this issue. So here's what it sounds like. A lot of it has to do with these metal wheels and bearings, and everything is just kind of loud and loose. Actually a pretty easy project. I got these Duralift Ultralife replacement wheels, and they're made out of nylon. They have a covered bearing, and they are super silent. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of these apart and replace them and see if this helps. So far all I can tell that I need is a 10mm socket on a drill, so I'll go ahead and get started. And the whole bracket comes off. Alright, you can see the old steel wheel. It's got a lot of play in it. Very loud. I assume that's going to be the problem. Slide this out, the old one, and put this new nylon one in. Slide this back in. And I can see exactly where the screw was. Alright, so I'll just put this back in place. And get some of these screws started. Alright, that's one done. Still can rattle around in here, so I don't know. We'll see. I'll go ahead and replace the rest of them, then we'll give it a test. Alright, all of these were really easy to replace, exactly how I showed you, except for this top one. There's only a single, so that was even easier. But I didn't realize that there were some on the bottom here, and this is actually connected to this cable, which is connected to the spring. So this one's not the easiest. So let me see if I can change this one out and kind of. I think you need to kind of have this in your hand. There's only 2 bolts, so I will take off the bottom one first. Set it aside. Now I want to loosen this, but I want to have a grip on this. Because whenever I take this screw out, it's going to want to pull it away. So just kind of hold on to it. Get that out the way. Put the new one in. There's a little bit of tension on it. It's not like too bad. Now line it back up with the hole, so I still have the screw in my hand. Already heard the difference because I had to raise this door up, but it didn't hear with all. So now it's got the nylon everywhere, and man, it's a big difference. The door still makes a little bit of noise because the door's kind of got some funky issues. I don't know, it's like bowed out right here. So, but let me do it. Once again, that's the Duralift Ultra Life Max 10 pack. Got these for like 25 bucks on Amazon, and it'll do one door. Absolutely crazy difference.